Hi everyone, I'm Julia. I'm one of the creators of Kapwing, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make faceless YouTube videos. Faceless videos are videos using text-to-speech technology and B-roll, or videos pulled from across the internet. It's a really quick way to churn out video content without needing to record videos. For whatever reason, you don't want to have your face on video, you can make faceless videos to produce content for social media quickly. This video will show you how. As an example, I want to show you this faceless video that I made for my personal YouTube account, and it uses a text-to-speech layer, B-roll, plus these animated subtitles. It's actually a man's voice, so I made this without filming any footage, and it has almost 2,000 views. If you want to learn about how to make faceless videos, this video will show you how. I'm going to use Kapwing's AI video generator, and you can try it for free. All right, you're going to start by coming to kapwing.com, Kapwing. Use this input box here at the bottom of the screen to create a video with AI. Kapwing works best for informational type of prompts. So if you give it a topic that you want to make a video on, then it will generate that for you. So in this case, I'll go ahead and make a topic like the history of the Brooklyn Bridge, for example, and then go ahead and click create. So here you get various options for how to make your faceless video. So if you're publishing a faceless video on YouTube, you probably want it to be 9:16. You can choose your language that you want the video to be in, and you can also choose the sound of the voice that you want to use. Kapwing has a lot of very realistic sounding voices. If you have the business plan or the enterprise plan, you can also add a clone of your own voice, which enables you to make faceless videos using your voice, which is pretty awesome. In this case, I'm just going to use one of the provided voices. You can preview them here. Cool. I'm going to go ahead and click this Josh voice, and that will be the voice that is the synthetic voice or the AI voice in the video. Then I'm going to choose my subtitle styles here. You can change this also afterwards. You can also choose the duration of the video. Let's say I want this video to be a little longer because it's a historical video, maybe 2 minutes. And then I'll go ahead and generate. What Kapwing does is it creates a synthetic voiceover to speak out a script that's generated using ChatGPT. Then it pulls B-roll in from across the internet to illustrate the concepts that are being talked about in the video, and it also matches it with AI-generated background music. You can see all of that is being pulled in here while you wait. So here is the faceless video that was literally generated less than a minute. And let's go ahead and let's watch it here.
The Brooklyn Bridge, an iconic landmark in New York City, has a fascinating history. Construction began in 1869 and was completed in 1883, connecting the boroughs of Manhattan and Brooklyn over the East River. Designed by John A. Roebling, the bridge was the first to use steel wire cables in its suspension design. The construction of the Brooklyn Bridge.
Everything, like I mentioned, is customizable. Want to change this, bring it in, upload it here. I just brought it in from my clipboard because I copy and pasted it from Google Image Search. And now I'm stretching that out here in the timeline to last as long as this clip, moving it in there and deleting that clip to replace it. I can also add animations and transitions in these video clips. So for example, if I wanted to add a moving zoom effect, Ken Burns effect, I can do that here in the effects tab. I can also add keyframes if I'm a more advanced video editor, but I'm just showing the basic flow here. ChatGPT generated the script here. If I want to make changes, I can come in here and make changes and then just regenerate that voice. I can also add into the script if I want to. I'm going to go ahead and export the video here in my export project menu. Once this is done exporting, I can share directly to YouTube, and literally in less than 2 minutes, I have made a faceless video that I can then share on YouTube or on social media. That is how you make a faceless video using Kapwing's AI video generator. Kapwing's AI video generator is not perfect, but it's really easy to come in and drop in your own B-roll or find new images and videos that you want to replace it with if there's videos that don't really make sense. This is the fastest way to make videos online. It's the fastest way to grow an audience. If you have an expertise or information in a certain field, it's an amazing way to grow an audience online and to generate videos really quickly, even if you don't want your face to be in them.